In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can add a custom domain name to Firebase on your project. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this with GoDaddy as the domain register, but if you're using Namecheap, Google Domains, or anything else, it's going to be pretty much the same, so you can still follow along. So make sure you're logged into both on the same browser, and then we start on Firebase, and you want to go to your project. As you can see, this is my dashboard right here, completely empty. It's just for the sake of this tutorial. Then you want to go to build. Then you want to go to build and you want to go to hosting all the way right here. And now it's going to show your hosting, but it's also going to show you the domains. As you can see right now, we have these two subdomains for our site. And here we want to click add custom domain. And now we want to go to our domain register. We want to copy our domain name. For me, it is studiohassel.com. You got to get yours. We go back and we paste it in right here. And then what we want to do, we want to simply click continue. And then it's going to show us that we need to change the DNS settings inside our domain register. As we can see, this is what we want to add and this is what we want to remove. So simply what we can do for the A record, let's copy the value right here. Then we want to go to our domain register. We want to go to domain. And we want to find our domain name specifically right here. And now we want to go to DNS settings. And this is going to be similar on almost all popular domain registers. And now we're going to find the first A record is this one. And it says to delete this, but we can also edit this. So we can click edit. And then right here, change the value to the new value that you got from Firebase. And then click save. Then it's going to update, and there we go, it's now successfully been changed. So then we also need to add a TXT record. So we copy the value right here. We go back to GoDaddy, click add new record. We select TXT right here. And then for the name, we're going to select add. For the value, we're going to paste in the value from Firebase, and TTL is fine, and we click save. So now this is also going to be updated. There we go. Now we go back to Firebase and we have changed everything. So we basically edited this one to the new one right here. And we also added the TXT file. Now we click verify and it should make the connection on GoDaddy. And it's now been a couple minutes and we got the confirmation that the domain has been set up successfully. And now all the records we added have been verified. So now we can simply click finish. And as you can see, we get this message, minting certificate. This may take up to 24 hours. Please check back later. And this basically means that it's now start propagating the SSL certificates, but at least that the DNS settings have been successfully approved. So now we can see it works. So we can click our domain name, and as you can see, we are redirected to our site. So we have done it successfully. Now, as you can see also right here, the connection is already secure, so the SSL certificate is already live. If it still has a red marker that shows unstable, just wait a couple more hours and it will resolve itself. So this is pretty much the tutorial. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.